Good morning, everyone. Breakfast is ready.
Thanks, honey. I'll be right there.
Mom, can I have juice?
Of course, sweetie. Here you go.
What a nice morning.
Yes. The sun is so bright today.
Dad, can we go to the park later?
Maybe, Anna. Let me check my phone first.
You always check your phone.
I need to see my messages.
No. The screen is black.
What's wrong?
It doesn't work. Come on, start.
Is it broken, Dad?
Please start. Nothing.
Try again, Dad.
No music. No messages. This is so bad.
Did you charge it last night?
Yes, I tried. No light, no sound, nothing.
Maybe the battery is broken.
Without my phone, I feel lost.
Lost? But you're right here, Dad.
I can't check messages. I can't see the time.
Don't move quickly. We can fix this.
How? I need my phone now.
Let's take it to the repair shop
The repair shop? Where is that?
on Green Street, near the cafe.
That's far. I don't want to walk.
We can all walk together. It's nice outside.
But I have no choice. Okay, let's go.
I feel so nervous without my phone.
Try to relax.
Look around you. I can't check the time.
Dad, look at the sky. It's so blue.
Usually, I just look at my screen.
See? The morning is beautiful.
It feels strange. Very strange.
Try to look outside. The street, the people.
Oh, what is that smell? The bakery. Fresh bread.
Wow.
It smells so good. I'm hungry now.
Usually, I just order food online.
Now you see real bread. Right here.
The smell is sweet.
It makes me hungry. Can we buy some, Mom?
Later, sweetie. First, the repair shop.
Fresh bread is better than food on a screen.
See? Real life is good.
The bus is full of people.
Yes. People go to work every morning.
Full means no space, right?
Exactly. A full bus.
I never watched this before.
Why not, Dad?
I always look at my phone.
See? You can learn new things by looking around.
The trees are tall.
The sky is so blue.
Beautiful, right?
Yes.
I usually look down at my screen.
Look up, Dad. Up is better.
The birds sing. The air feels fresh.
I like the birds.
I like this too. Nah.
Listen carefully. This is the real world.
Maybe this walk is not so bad.
Without a phone, you can still enjoy life.
Maybe I can. Maybe I can enjoy more.
I smell coffee.
Strong and sweet.
Do you want to stop?
Yeah.
And that
But I can't pay online without my phone.
Don't worry, I have cash. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's sit for a moment.
The cup looks hot.
Careful, it's hot and strong.
good. Bitter, also smooth.
Coffee gives energy.
Usually I drink coffee with my phone in hand.
Now it feels different.
Different is good. Different is good. Sometimes.
I can see people here, talking, laughing.
It feels alive.
Exactly. People, not screens.
Oh, look at the flowers! Red, yellow, pink.
So bright. I never noticed this shop before.
Because you always look at your phone.
True. Now I see more colors.
Colors make me happy.
Colors make life rich.
Yes. Rich and bright.
Look at the water! The water is so clear. The sound is soft. The children are so happy. They laugh so much.
Simple things make them happy.
Maybe you can learn from them.
To enjoy small things?
Yes. Small things, big joy.
Dad, I hear music.
A guitar. Live music.
I like this sound.
Better than music on a phone?
Yes. This sound is real. Soft and alive. See?
No phone, no problem.
Look at the dog. It runs so fast. It looks so happy.
Dogs love to play.
The park feels peaceful.
Peaceful and calm.
I feel calm too.
Wow, look at all the fruit. Red apples, yellow bananas, green grapes. Can we buy some?
I usually buy them online.
Now you see the real fruit. Right here.
Touch it, smell it, choose it. That is better.
Yes, real is better.
The street is alive.
So many faces.
So many voices.
You see more without a phone in your hand.
True. Today feels different.
Different how, Dad?
Strange, but also good.
Is this the place?
Yes, let's go inside.
The world is bigger than the phone.
Maybe this broken phone is a small gift.
Hello. Can you help me?
His phone is broken. The screen is black.
It doesn't start. Can you fix it?
I feel nervous.
Let him look at it first.
Can you fix it? Please?
He says it's only the battery.
Really?
That's great. He can change it. It takes about 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, we can wait.
1 more hour without a phone, Dad.
1 more hour to enjoy life.
Maybe you're right. Today I saw the bakery, the flowers, the park.
All without a phone.
And you smiled more, Dad.
Maybe I did. Like, hey,
So many people need their phones fixed.
Phones break, but life doesn't stop.
true. Life goes on.
People walk, talk, smile, even without phones.
Yes, we sometimes forget that.
Today is a big lesson. Look, he's coming back.
Is it ready?
New battery. It works now.
Oh, wow. The screen is on!
Your phone is alive again!
Thank...
Yay! Dad's phone works! Take care of it this time.
Strange. I have my phone again.
But
I don't feel...
What feel the same? What do you mean, Dad?
Before, I felt lost without it.
And now?
Now I feel free.
Yes.
Today I learned to see the world.
To smell the bread?
yes.
To smell, to listen, to feel.
Life is bigger than a small screen.
Exactly. Life is bigger.
Wow, the sky is so beautiful. Orange, pink, and soft blue. But now?
Now it feels amazing.
This is the real gift, Dad.
Yes. Today I learned to look up.
Not only down at your phone.
That's a good lesson.
I feel calm, peaceful, happy.
Today was special.
Yes, very special.
Your phone broke, but you saw the world. You heard sounds. You smelled bread.
I watched children play.
I felt the evening air.
And you enjoyed it.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
A broken phone gave you a full day.
That's the meaning of today.
So what did you learn?
Life is not only in the phone.
Life is all around us.
Yes. Life is all around us.
Small problems can bring big lessons. No.
I promise to look up more often.
And put your phone down sometimes?
Yes. I promise.
That's all we ask. Thank you.
Thank you, all of you, for today.
We love you, Dad.
I love you too. All of you.